What's next for you? What's the next step? What is your next focus on your business and your podcast?
Yeah. So the business, we are very laser focused on attracting more CFOs and more clients right now. That is what we're doing. I was going to go down the education route, maybe do some courses around Profit First ROI. We've shut all that down because we've seen with the success we've had with our clients and the attractiveness of bringing on the right CFOs who have the same values, who listen to the podcast, who know and want to help people. So we're at a sprint now for the next 3 years. We want to get to 100 CFOs and helping 400 clients in a month on a monthly basis. We wanted to get to a sizable fractional CFO company just because of what we've been able to do so far with people. And that's really the next thing on the horizon. As far as the podcast, I need to take the advice I've gotten here and be more intentional with the relationships on those episodes. But I would love to continue the journey of, as people see those breakthroughs and transformations, having them on the podcast and keep pumping out the content for knowing that you don't have to be stuck in the rat race and that there's ways out, especially if you have a current business.